Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new on here, welcome. My name is Ada and I am a mom of four and I do everything cleaning, motivation, organization, vlogs, just lifestyle videos and all of that. So guys, welcome to my channel and do go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload, okay? So you guys, I'm trying to catch my breath. I just came upstairs right now and so it's like 8:30 right now. I already dropped Olivia and Tiffany off at school and I'm supposed to go and take a shower, bathe Gia and Jovan. But I'm just lazy. I'm trying to catch my breath, please. I'm trying to rest. So you guys, I cleaned up this house yesterday night. Like it was a whole mess. You guys will see that cleaning video definitely maybe before this vlog you're watching right now. But yeah, I cleaned up the house. It was a whole mess, but I cleaned up at night and I just finished the whole downstairs, and that was where I stopped. Upstairs is still a whole lot of mess. It's just so messy, but I'm not going to clean that because I have to. Today is like an off day for me from work. So I have to go shopping. I want to go shop for my kids. I want to get them some outfits. I just feel like kids are growing too much. Like they grow so fast. Olivia, and when it comes to my kids, Olivia will be 8 in April, but she's already wearing a size 8, 9, like since she was 6, 7 kind ish. So but and Tiffany, when she was a 4, she was wearing a 5 and 6. So now she's 5. So I'm going to shop for a 6 and 7 for her. That's how they wear. They never wear anything like their age. And I don't know, they're just growing tall every day. They're just growing. Jovan's own blows my mind. Jovan is 2, but he wears a 40. How? I don't know. But he wears a 40, and you would think that like those are 2Ts, but no, those are 40s. That's what he wears. And definitely when he gets to 3, because he'll be turning 3 in May. So I'm definitely going to be looking at buying him a 4 to 5 T. So that's how, I don't know, they're just tall, I guess. That's what it is, because they never wear anything. Come here, booba. Come here, booba. Come here, Booba. Come here, Booba. So me and Booba, we are just out here chilling. But I'll need to go and get ready because we'll soon be leaving the house. So we need to go. I need to go bathe them and have my bath as well and just get ready to go. We're going to go to Target, Old Navy, just wherever I feel like I can go to. But I'll definitely do check any stores that I can. I have a whole lot of running arounds to do. The house is empty. We don't have no grocery, no nothing. So we have to go to Sam's. We have to go to Walmart. I have to go to the dollar store, of course, my cleaning supplies. So I have to go to the Dollar Tree. It's no longer a Dollar Tree though, but yeah, I have to go to the Dollar Tree. And hi big girl, hi big girl, hi big girl. So yeah, we have to go to a whole lot of like yeah. Today is just more like organizing and everything because it's been so busy for me. Last week was hell. Like I was just so busy. So today I'm going to use today to do everything, grocery shopping, shop for some clothes for them, and they'll be leaving for Texas on Friday. So yeah, I'm going to shop for them. They'll be leaving for their break and just more like a mini vacation or holiday or whatever. So they'll be leaving and yeah, so I need to shop and just do a whole lot of things. And today when I get back, I'm going to try and tackle clean up their upstairs, their room and everywhere, my room as well. And then I need to show you guys some Amazon finds that I did get some things. Let me drop her down and I'll show you guys. I wanted to do an Amazon haul kind of thing, but the Amazon packages are coming in little by little, and I can't just wait. I need to open them up and set them up and start using my things. I can't wait. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys in this vlog as well. And you know, before I get really busy again, I'm trying to start, you know, buy things and make sure that the kids have food, meal prep, and make sure they have something to eat while I'm working and while I'm busy and everything. And then I have to also, man, today I don't even know how I'm supposed to do all of these things, but I just hope I can finish up because I have to put out videos. I have to edit my videos. I have to put out videos and all of that. So I'm not working today, but I have to do all of those things. Hi, baby. Hi, baby, my love. So you guys, these are the things I got from Amazon. Let me see what we have in here. Let me see what this is. Let me get a knife. So you guys, this is a Lazy Susan kind of thing. It goes, I'll show you guys what I'm supposed to do with it. So yeah, I got this Lazy Susan thing. Yeah. Hi, Jovan. So this is for my like my cooking area. So I'll show you guys what I'm supposed to do with it. And I love the transparent one because I just like my countertop being kind of like you know, clutter free. So this one will kind of like hide anything, but yeah. And then I got this is another oil, you know, the oil bottles for your cooking oils and all, like the type you can drop on your countertop. And you know, so it came with this little funnel thing. And then this is the bottle, and this is the second bottle. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, now tell me why this thing came with a broken cover. This is broken. Look at that. I like that it's tighter. I got one from the dollar store, but it just doesn't work right. So that was why I decided to just go on Amazon and get this one right. Oh, and it came with these stickers. So you can kind of like label them if you want to put them, all this on there and label them if you want to. So I'm definitely going to do that because I'll be putting like avocado oil and olive oil and vegetable oil. So I'm supposed to know which one is which. So that makes sense. Oh, this is my phone, my iPhone 11's phone case, I think so. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. Yep. Yeah, that's it. This is for, oh, okay, nice. I really love this color. When I saw it, I was like, I have to buy this. I wanted something simple. I didn't want anything to, you know, I was like, I needed something simple. So this works. Yeah, this is nice. These are the little bags that I got for selling my things. I got this for my wigs, for hanging my wigs, because sometimes if you don't know, I sell wigs. I'll leave my website down so you can always check out my website. I sell wigs that you can, you know, ready to wear wigs that you can just put on. So sometimes when I'm done making my wigs, I don't have where to put them. So I saw this idea on, what was that, Lao or something, I don't know, I can't remember her. I can't like pronounce her name, but I saw it. She's also a wig maker, and I decided to get it. This is a lifesaver. And in here, like in my workstation, I have a place where I kind of like keep my work things. So yeah, and it's just like a closet kind of thing. So that works. Definitely use this. So here I have mask. I just decided to buy a whole bunch of these, just in case if I'm working and my client isn't like, they didn't come with a mask or something, because trust me, I'll definitely give them one mask. Okay, these I got for my pantry organizing thing. So I'm going to label everything. I'm trying to get some things, label them, and all of that. So I got this. It comes with the marker and everything you need. If you need anything in here, just let me know, and I will leave the link down. This is the screen protector for my iPhone 11 as well. Yeah, and I got this for my sewing machine, for my wig making machine. And these are the bands for my wig. Yeah, and these are the needles for the wig thing as well. This also for my machine, for my sewing machine. And these are the wig caps for making wigs. I have this. This is since I use this. I use this. They gave it to me at the hospital when I had Jovan, and after using it, I fell in love with this. I've been buying it ever since. So, and this is my white robe. This one I was really excited about. I was like, I'm definitely going to get this. It really feels soft. I'll have to wash it first. This is my white robe. You know when you're wearing a white robe, you just want to feel that kind of like hotel vibe, kind of vacation, pingy, all that good stuff. Oh yes, honey, yes. So guys, I couldn't make any more videos. I had literally had to rush out of the house, and I did not eat. So we just stopped by and we got some Chick-fil-A. Yeah, I'll be eating in the car as we are going. I'm just so hungry. So getting these 2 children ready was just more stressful than getting 4 of them ready. I don't even know why. But we're out, and I wanted to do my makeup, but I just decided not to because we have a whole lot of running around to do today. So we are here, and I am glowing, baby. I am glowing. I need to. Jemma, you hungry? So yeah, let's just keep going. I'll definitely film again when we get there. I'll show you guys. Oh my god, you guys, I couldn't film anymore. We just so we got back from Walmart, and from there it was already 2 p.m. so I had to go pick Tiffany. After picking her, the car was filled up, so if I knew that if I had gone to pick Olivia, there would be no space. So I came back home, dropped them off, and then went to go get Olivia. And now we are back. The groceries are. You push, you bring everything upstairs. Go bring them from the staircase. Get everything up.
Did you get Tiffany here so early?
Go get everything. Move back. Let me see. Let me see your outfit. Go back, let me see you. Yeah, this you guys, this is what I got from the Old Navy. And yeah, it's actually cute. And it's funny because let me see the size. Let me see your size. Come backwards. Let me see something. Come. So you guys, this is what I'm talking about. She's 5, but she wears a 6 to 7. Go backwards. Let me see. So Olivia wears a large. That one is like a 10 to 12 or something. Hey guys, so you guys, let me tell you, I just slept and I woke up right now. It's already after past 7. I just woke up right now, so I don't know what else I'm going to be doing. I have not even done the laundry and everything, but I'm definitely going to go do them now. Let me just figure out what my kids are going to eat, and I'll go do them. And in case this vlog ends here, I feel like I'll be ending it here because it's already late and I might forget. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and if you guys want to see more vlog, do leave a comment in the comment section. I'll definitely go do the laundries and then try to make something for them to eat, and also make something for them to eat and then get ready for school tomorrow and try to do just the rest of the things that I can't do today. And that will be it. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment down below if you guys want more vlogs. Yeah, I'm just going to go do the laundry and then fry something for them to eat and just kind of like clear things up.
I did it, Mommy. I did it.
And just kind of like clear things up. I'll see you guys in my next video.